Now that you've created the bias tape, you want to be able to give it that folded effect. Because remember, the bias tape is used at the edges of any sewing project you would like to use it in. Now, normally when creating the bias tape, a bias tool would be used, but you don't have a bias tool. Here's a tip you can use. Fold in your edges and press it out a bit at the start. Then you want to take yourself 2 pins. All right, get yourself 2 lengthy pins, and what you want to do is put your pin in through the cushion and pass the pin over the bias tape and pass it through the cushion once again on the other side. Take your next pin, go down about 1/2 inch and do the same thing. Pass it through the cushion, then let the pin go over the bias tape and pass it through on the other side. As you can see, it creates a nice filtered point that once you pull, it automatically creates the fold you originally did at the start. And once you start pulling through, you can just press as it goes. This way, it becomes easy for you to create. Now that your tape is pressed with the edges folded in, you want to fold that in half and press that out as well. Because remember, with a bias tape, when you're putting it at the edge of any sewing project, it normally goes, your fabric goes between the bias tape. So what you can do to help you out and make things quicker is you can fold your bias tape in half, and the same process you did earlier, pass it through the 2 pins that I showed you and press it out in half. Once you do that, your bias tape is ready for any sewing project. So guys, do not let lack of a bias tool stop you. And I hope this hack was helpful. And until next time, do